Randall M doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall M here. Canon EOS photographer, Randall M. Got my new Pancake lens, 40mm, 2.8, autofocus and manual focus, macro 0.3 meters or 0.98 feet. I'm going to put it on my Canon EOS 7D here. This is the Phoenix 28-300. So I'm going to take that off. I'll have to get the cap for that here. I don't know where it is. I'll have to find it. Anyway. There's the 7D. I'm going to take this off. Now they say that when you put this on, of course, red dot at the top, red dot at the top. Okay, there it is. See, that looks pretty good. When you go to autofocus or focus, it doesn't do anything. They say you have to turn it on to focus it. So let's turn it to manual. And they're right. See, look, you have to focus it. You have to. I mean, you can kind of hear it, but it's very. Let's try a photo here just real quick. That actually looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's probably not as good as it looks to me. Let's try another. Try one with the flash. Dude, that's, yeah, too much flash, but anyway. That actually looks pretty good. Without the, well, the flash on this reflective didn't do too good, but I'll show you here real quick. You probably can't tell real good, but it looks better in real person better than it does on the camera. Looks really nice. Try that again. That looks awesome. I mean, the quality of that is just boom. I got my license plate. I don't know if you, like I said, you can't see it on it because it's not, but it looks a lot better in person. This is my first Canon prime lens. Looking forward to shooting with it and trying it out some more. And I'll be doing probably a YouTube video of some of the first photographs that I take with it, but right now that looks pretty cool. It is very small. Of course, that's not going to come out very good because it's on the screen. So, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks nice. So I'll be trying this out, and one of the things I like about it, the camera can sit upright. Like when I sit on a table, it'll without tipping it over. When I have this lens on, it it tilts over. With this, it'll stay tight. I think it looks good. Would it look better with the black one? Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, I'm glad to have it. Looking forward to using it and seeing how things work. So until next time, I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall M. Saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. And God bless you.